Hey there, this video is going to cover Chapter 9, Engine Displacement. First of all, a couple of formulas that you'll need. The volume of a cylinder is pi times the radius squared times the height, and there are 2.54 centimeters in 1 inch, and 1000 cc's is equal to 1 liter. So to start with, our first example, it says the bore of a 6-cylinder engine is 3.762 inches, while the stroke is 3.340 inches. What is the engine's displacement? So we're going to use that first formula, the pi r squared h, and then multiply it by 6. Here's the formula. So we take 6, the number of cylinders, times pi, times, and then in parentheses we'll put 3.762 divided by 2. That'll give us the radius. Square that, and then multiply by 3.34. If you type all of that into your calculator, and you should do this as well, just to make sure that you're using the calculator functions correctly, you get 223 cubic inches, which is your answer. All right, the second example says the bore of a certain cylinder is 9.2 centimeters and the stroke is 9 centimeters. What is the swept volume of just one cylinder in cubic centimeters and in liters? So we use the same formula, but this time we're working with the metric system. And here I'm going to calculate the radius separately, or before I use the next equation. So the radius is 9.2 divided by 2, which is 4.6 centimeters. Then I can calculate the volume as pi times the radius squared times 9, which is the stroke. And that's equal to 598 cubic centimeters. Finally, just apply that 1,000 cubic centimeters to a liter equation, or conversion, to get a volume of 0.598 liters. All right, for our final example in this chapter, the displacement of an engine is calculated to be 2,192.61 cubic centimeters. What's the displacement in cubic inches? So here's our conversion. We take that 2192.61 cubic centimeters, and then we multiply it by our conversion factor, which is 1 inch is 2.54 centimeters, and then we'll cube that. So the way that this gets typed into the calculator is 2192.61 divided by 2.54 to the third, and that's equal to 133.8 cubic inches.